Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The upcoming 2026 Mercedes Benz Super Suite Motorhome is a revolutionary reimagining of mobile dwelling, intended to go beyond the traditional definition of recreational vehicles and reframe them as actual houses on wheels with an incredibly contemporary aesthetic. This idea would definitely push the boundaries of what is feasible in a motorhome and represent Mercedes-Benz's unwavering dedication to luxury, technical innovation, and exquisite aesthetics. From the outside, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Super Suite Motorhome would probably have a futuristic yet distinctly Mercedes-Benz appearance. It would have streamlined aerodynamic outlines instead of the boxy shapes of conventional RVs, and it might even have enormous, flush-mounted panoramic windows that blend in perfectly with the bodywork. The front fascia would be dominated by the iconic Mercedes-Benz grille, which might be lighted or include dynamic features. It would be flanked by cutting-edge LED lighting systems that provide both excellent illumination and a unique visual identity. The outside would be distinguished by a simple yet sophisticated design that makes use of high-quality materials and custom finishes to instantly exude luxury and modernity. Clean lines and precise geometry would provide a vibrant and welcoming presence, demonstrating architectural inspiration. The interior of the Super Suite would be the real innovation. This area will be painstakingly created to replicate the opulent atmosphere and practical elegance of a high-end contemporary residence. The highest quality materials would be used, maybe including polished metals, beautiful leathers, sustainable hardwoods, and cutting-edge composite surfaces. Open and flowing, the design might include retractable walls or clever partitioning systems that enable various configurations based on need, easily converting from a large living area to a private bedroom suite. In every aspect, the amazing modern design would be evident. Custom designed, ergonomic furniture that blends in perfectly with the framework would be used. Unnecessary components would be avoided. With flexible LED systems that can emphasize architectural details and create a variety of moods, lighting would be an essential design element. Induction cooktops, premium refrigeration, and possibly even a wine cooler would all be hidden behind streamlined panels when not in use in a modern, fully integrated kitchen. With its spa-like shower, smart fixtures, and high-end finishes, the bathroom would compete with those in upscale residences. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Super Suite Motorhome would be a technological wonder. Everything from lighting and security to entertainment and climate management would be managed by an advanced smart home system that could be operated with voice commands or user-friendly touchscreens. A flawless digital experience would be guaranteed by advanced connectivity choices, such as satellite internet and 5G capabilities. Additionally, navigating this opulent home would be safe and enjoyable thanks to integrated driver assistance systems that draw from Mercedes-Benz's top vehicle safety technology, offering the most discerning passengers an unmatched degree of comfort, design, and technological sophistication. This RV would be more than just a vehicle. It would be a mobile architectural statement.